how to delete a Facebook group. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook app and make sure to log into your account. After that, in order to view your group, you have to first tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and from over here you have to tap on groups and you'll be able to see your group. Here I have already pinned my group, so it is visible in the pinned. You can also search for your group and find from over here. After that, you will be opened up to your group. So in order to delete, you have to tap on the trophy icon in the right upper corner, and here you have to scroll down below a little bit and you'll be able to see the delete group option in the right lower corner. So you have to tap on that and you have to select on delete group option, and by doing that you can see my group has been deleted. So by following this simple step, you can delete a Facebook group. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.